class notes. So now continue the question. In triangle OPQ, right? This is start question. In triangle OPQ, right angle at P, right angle at P. In triangle OPQ, right angle at P, OP equal to 7. OP equal to 7 centimeters. OQ minus PQ equal to 1. Find the value of sine Q and cos Q. Find the value of sine Q and cos Q. Okay, question is, look, in triangle, once again, in triangle OPQ, OPQ, P 90 degree, OP equal to 7, OQ minus PQ, OQ minus PQ equal to 1. Find the value of sine Q and cos Q. Look at here. First of all, you make a right triangle. The same OPQ. Question saying P90 degree. Okay, right or no? P90. Okay, P90. Then OP equal to 7. Then OQ minus PQ equal to 1. So that means OQ. Look at here. OQ equal to 1 plus PQ. Correct or no? This is 1 plus PQ. Are you clear or not? Listen. Once again, in triangle OPQ, angle P 90 degree. OP equal to 7. One condition, OQ minus PQ equal to 1. So we can write OQ equal to 1 plus PQ. Then PQ square, we know that PQ square equal to OQ square minus OP square. So that is 1 plus PQ whole square minus OP square. That is 1 plus PQ square plus 2PQ minus OP square. OP square we have 49. Okay. Then PQ square cancelled. Then look, this is coming to here. 2P minus 2PQ equal to minus 48. So PQ equal to what? 24. This is 24, 25, 7. You can find it all other ratios. Is it okay? Okay or not? So, comments. Listen, if not getting this one, next question you'll be in trouble. Look, once again, I'll explain here. In triangle OPQ, OP equal to 7. This angle, this is 7, 90 degree, and one condition OQ minus PQ equal to 1. So from this one, we can write OQ equal to 1 plus PQ. You wrote here 1 plus PQ. Now we can find out this one. PQ square equal to OQ square minus OP square. OQ, we got 1 plus PQ. 1 square plus PQ square plus 2 PQ minus OP is 49. So we got PQ equal to 24. Then we can find this 24, 25, 7. Then write sine Q and cos Q. Do it now. Are you okay? Clear now? So finish. Okay, so finish or not? Hello? Okay, finish. So everyone okay now? So try next question then. In triangle PQR, next one, same type, next. In triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, right angle at Q, right angle at Q. PR plus QR equal to 25. 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 PQ equal to 5. PQ equal to 5. Find sin P, cos P, tan P. Find sin P, cos P, and tan P. Once again, in triangle PQR, angle Q 90. PR plus QR equal to 25. PQ equal to 5. Okay, try now. Okay, so finish or not? Hello? Finish? Why not responding? Everyone finish? Only Krishna, only the stall not finished. Asmi finished. Next stall. Roshan, Ronit. Next guys. Okay, finish. Listen here. The question is in triangle PQR. PQR right angle at Q. Q P R. Then PQ is 5. Okay. Then PR plus QR equal to 25. PR plus QR, PR plus QR equal to 25. So PR equal to 25 minus QR. This is 25 minus QR. Okay. Then apply the Pythagoras theorem. PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. But PR is 25 minus QR whole square equal to PQ square plus QR square. That is 625 plus QR square minus 50 QR equal to PQ square plus QR square. QR square cancelled. PQ is given here. Okay. So minus 625 minus 50 QR equal to PQ is 525. Okay, 25 coming here. 600 equal to 50 QR. QR equal to how much? 600 divided by 50. Cancel here. How much that? How much? 12. Okay. Equal to 12. QR equal to 12. This is 12. So we can find out this one. Okay. We all got this. Okay. Do fast now. Okay, now, okay, that is okay. If you know all the sides, sine p, cos p, you can find out, okay? So now we are going for another next topic, okay? Listen here. $50 QR, Hassan. Oh, come on, Hassan. A minus B whole square, right? A square plus B square minus 2AB minus 2 into 25 into QR. What a question. Come on. Okay, so now next topic. Okay, second part of this chapter. Okay. Right. Trigonometric ratios of heading, right? Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Okay. Look at here. Actually, you have to learn only 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90. Okay, these values. That means you have to by heart all what is sine 0, cos 0, tan 0, cosec 0, sec 0, cot 0. Then tan 30, cot 30, sec 30, like that. Sine 45, cos 45, tan 45, everything you have by heart. Okay. Then sine 60, cos 60, like that. Sine 90, cos 90, tan 90, cosec 90, like that. Okay. Your class done this one, this topic? Okay. So listen here. Actually, long back, there was, you have to learn everything. That means sine 1, cos 1, like that, even point also. Cos 30 degree, 15 minute, 12 seconds, like that. No need to by heart. It is there was a table, maybe old book we can see, log sine table there was. Now you are lucky guys, you have learned only these angles: 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90. Okay. Look at here. It is quite easy. No need to by heart it. Gradually you will by heart it, because you are using. We can make our own one table. Look, listen here. Don't write anything. Okay. This is a easy way. Not to by heart it. Listen. First you write 0. Any objection? Just write 0. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. What? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll write again. Look. You can make in your exam sheet this one. Okay. Listen. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then divide each by 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. 0 by 4, 0. Okay. There. Then you write here all root sign. Like this. Okay. 0 by 4 is what? 0. This is 1 by 2. Correct or not? Root of 1 is 1. Root of 4 is 2. This is 2 and 4 cancel. Then 1 by root 2. This is root 3 by 2. This is 1. This part okay or not? Hello. Look at here. This is the easiest way. Don't by heart it. Even exam also you can write in your notebook. This one, because you are writing, not copying. Look. First write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then each divide by 4. Then root sign. Then you know that 0 by, understood now how to make? Look at here again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each divided by 4. 4, 4, 4. Then root sign. Come on. Like this. 0 by 4, 0. 1 by 2. Correct now? Root of 1 is 1. Root of 4 is 2. 2 and 4 cancel. That is 1 by root 2. Root 3 by 2. Then 1. Are you okay? Roshan, okay this one? How to make it? Aniga, Anushka, Asta, Deepa, Diya. Everyone okay? Hasan, Krishna, Nishi, Yonit, Raja. Right? Everyone okay? How to make it? But because you have to make it. Don't do by heart, man. Okay. Okay, now look at here. After that, look. Here you write sine. Here you write cos. Okay. Then suppose you want to know sine 30 how much? Okay. Keep your eyes here. One of the eyes. Second eye moving here. Okay. Then you write here 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Here you write 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Okay. Now you move sine 30. Look at here. Moving here. Sine 30 what? 1 by 2 from the table. Cos 30 from here. Look. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Sine 60. Look. Root 3 by 2. Cos 60. 1 by 2. Sine 45. 1 by root 2. Cos 45 also 1 by root 2. Sine 90. Look. Sine 90 1. Cos 90 0. Clear now? Okay. Look at this table and tell me the answers. I'll ask the question. Okay. First, Hania. What about sine 60? Hania, sine 60. Root 3 by 2. Okay. Aditya, what is the sine 45? Sine 45. Look at the table and tell me. Okay. Sine 45. Sine 45. 1 by root 2. Okay. Roshan, what about sine cos 0? Cos 0. Roshan, cos 0. 1. Ronit, sine 0 is what? 0. Okay. Look at here. See now. Look at here. Sine 90 is 1. That's why I tell you. Last classes. Sine 90. We know the value. How much? 90. So we don't want to find that values. Okay. So sine 90 1. Aniga. Sine 60. How much? Aniga. Sine 60. Sine 60. Oh, 1 by 60. No, Anika, listen here. Sine 60. Look, go to your table. Look at here. Keep your eyes here. Move. Come on here. This is what? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Clear now? Start from here and root 3 by 2. Anika, okay? Okay. See, for you, I mean, not Anika telling. Okay. For all guys. For you, it is easy because you are expert in copying. So copying, look. Suppose cos 45. Look from here, cos. Okay, cos you write here. Cos. You look at here, cos 45. Come on, this is the answer. Okay, look, make like this if you want like this. Now sine 45. Come on, sine 45 1 by root 2. Okay, cos 30 1 root 3 by 2. Sine 30 1 by 2, right? Okay. Listen, all try to come correct timing. Okay, this is especially this is a continuity of the chapters. Some guys are not. I'll log 541. I log it. Sorry, 546. Okay. Then, if anyone want, request with reason for late. Clear now? Next class onwards, our time is 5:45. Okay. Correct, 5:45. 5:46. 5:46 log. Okay. Then anyone want, request it. Clear now? This time is very important thing, everyone. Okay, even 1 minute or 1 second also. So I won't allow, if you can, then you have to request it. You don't just come like a Bakala, anytime you can come and go. Now Bakala also difficult to go, right or not? Right? You have to long queue in Bakala. Right or not? You experience or not? You went to Bakala or supermarket recent days. You didn't go. You went? Yeah. Yeah, we need appointment. Yes, correct. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know the event. Okay, I saw him. Okay. So now, what about today? This calendar all open or not? Have any idea? Even Wakala also need pass. Oh. Okay. So luckily in my building there is 2 Wakala. There is left and right. So for me no problem. Okay. Okay, now come on, all latecomers familiar with this values. Listen here. Once again, how to make the don't by heart this one. It's very quite easy. Okay, don't try to by heart it. You can make it your own table in your answer sheet. Okay, so I'll show you again for all latecomers. Listen here now. Okay. Okay, look at here. I'll show you again how to make the table. Listen here. Look. Look. First of all, you write 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then divided by 4. This type marks you get always know 0 by 10, 0 by 30, and all like that. This is 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. Make like this root sign. Okay. 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 This is 0. You know that. This is root of 1 is 1, root of 4 is 1 by 2. Okay. This is 2 and 4 cancel 1 by root 2. Agree or no? Root 3 by 2. This one 1. Here p value 0. This is 30 because these values are standard values. 45, 60, 90, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Here you make it cos, sorry, sine. Here cos. Okay, now this is our answer. Okay, then you make it here. Okay, you can make your own colorful and all. Okay, don't make that much colorful. Okay, so here now, suppose you want to see the sine 30. Look at here. Keep your one eye here. Move. Come on, sine 30 reach. Come on, 1 by 2. Finish. Then, if you want cos 30 from here, root 3 by 2. Sine 60 here, root 3 by 2. Yeah, correct. Cos 60, 1 by 2. Sine 0, 0. Cos 0, 1. Clear now? Are you okay? Okay, now look at here, not finish. If you know, okay, I'll give you tan here because if you know sine and cos, you can find out tan. Correct or no? Because sine theta by cos theta is tan theta. Are you okay? No, you studied last class, right? Sine theta by cos theta equal to sine theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. Then here. Why and late? So late. Okay, look at here now. I'm giving a ready-made table here. In the case tan. Okay, tan here sine 0 by cos 0 0. Right? Correct or no? 0 sine 0 by cos 0 1 0 by 1 is 0. Sine 30 1 by root 3. Sorry, tan 30 1 by root 3. Tan 60 root 3. Tan no. This is what 1 here root 3. This is not defined. Okay. When you make a table, this also right. Actually, you can make your own. Sine 30 by cos 30 is tan 30. Sine 60 by cos 60 is tan 60. Sine 90 by cos 90 is tan 90. Because easy for you, if I had these values, tan 0, 0, tan 30, 1 by root 3, tan 45, 1, tan 60, root 3, tan 90 not defined. Okay. If we know sine cos, look at here. Sine 30, 1 by 2. What about cosec 30? Sine 30, 1 by 2, cosec 30 is what? Sine 30, 1 by 2, cosec 30, how much? 2. Because sine 30, 1 by 2, cosec 30, 2. Okay. Sine 45, 1 by root 2, cosec 45, root 2 by 1. Correct or no? Then cos 30, root 3 by 2. Sec 30, 2 by root 3. Because sine, if you know sine, we can find out cosec. If you know cos, you can find out sec. And sine by cos is tan. Okay. Look at here. Suppose tan 30 1 by root 3. What about cos 30? Root 3 by 1. Are you okay now? Everyone okay? Then only you can start the questions. I hope everyone got how to make the table, right? Answer me. Everyone okay? How to make the table? And you know how to find out from the table the values. Clear now? Okay, then make the table. And here you write, finally, tan value you write for the time being here. Okay, write first. Okay, right now. After that, we are going to work out the questions. Okay. Okay. Tan 0. Okay, tan 0 is what? Tan 0 is 0. Tan 0 is tan 0 means sin 0 by cos 0. Sin 0, 0. 0 by 1 is 0. Okay. Tan 90 not defined. Tan 90 not defined. Why? Because it is tan 90 means sin 90. Sin 90 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. 1 by 0 not defined. Are you okay now? Can I start the questions? Everyone okay? Then this sine and cos enough. But for easy speed up our questions, you make this also. Because many questions are tan also that is okay. So you understood how to make the table. Don't need to by heart now. One table came with you. Okay, then automatically will by heart it. Okay. Then if you know sine, we can find it cosec. If you know cos, you know sec. Okay. If you know tan, you can find it cot. Clear now? We'll start the questions. Okay. Ready now? This is the second part of this chapter. Okay. Look at here now. Question now. Okay. Right. Find the value. Find the value of. Find the value in the simplest form. Find the value in the simplest form. Okay. Question number 1. Sine 60. Actually, it is all degrees. Okay. Sine 60 degree into cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30. What? Sin 60 into cos 30 plus cos 60 into sin 30. Okay. We know sin 60 root 3 by 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2. From the table. I'm taking up from the table only. Okay. Cos 60 1 by 2. Sin 30 1 by 2. Root 3 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Answer what? 1. Finish. Okay. Clear now? Is it okay? Just copy from the table, paste here and simplify. That's all. You can do it. Okay, finish. Is it okay? So then next question. Clear all? So next one. Sin 60 into cos 45 plus cos 60 into sine 45. Okay, try now. Sine 60 into cos 45 plus cos 60 into sine 45. Okay, try now. Okay, look, sine 60 root 3 by 2 into cos 45 1 by root 2 plus cos 60 1 by 2 sine 45 1 by root 2. Okay, so root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. We can write root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, rationalizing, multiply by root 2, root 6 plus root 2 divided by 4. This is the final answer. Even you keep it here also, no problem. Okay. You all got. Okay. If anyone have a problem, tell me now. Okay, this is the second section, not related to the previous one. Like that, 4th section is there, this chapter. Ritika, your class trigonometry started or not? Yeah, okay, so you have idea. Okay. Okay. So we'll see now next question. Are you okay now so far? Okay? No issues, right? Hello, early morning you are sleeping. Look. Now, next question. I'll show this one, okay? Look at here. 2 sine square 30 tan 60 minus 3 cos square 60, then sec square 30. Once again, 2 sine square 30 into tan 60 minus 3 cos square 60 into sec square 30. Okay, look at here. Here 2 into sine 30 1 by 2 whole square. Don't write down. Tan 60 root 3. Okay, minus 3 into cos 60 1 by 2 whole square. Sec 30. Cos 30 how much? Tell me cos 30 how much? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, right? Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Are you okay now? Check the table. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. So sec 30 2 by root 3. 2 by, make sure if it is wrong, okay. 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3 whole square. Okay. Correct now? Okay. Then 2 into 1 by 4 into root 3 minus 3 into 1 by 4 into 4 by 3. Okay. So 2 root, okay, this is cancelled 2. Root 3 by 2 minus 4 cancel 1. Okay, correct or no? So the answer is root 3 minus 2 by 2. Okay, root 3 minus 2 by 2. Okay, check now. This way you have to answer squaring and all. Okay. Is it okay now? Clear now? Finish? Are you okay all? Finish? Okay, so next one you try. Cos square 30. What is the one? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Yeah, correct. Tan 60 only. And here, in our question is tan 60, tan 31 by root 3. Okay. So, and I'm just remember this value. That's I'm telling you. Later you will also by heart it automatically. Okay. Right. Next is cos square 30. Cos square 30 into sin square 45 minus sec square 60. Sec square 60. Once again, cos square 30 into sin square 45 minus sec square 60. Okay. Okay, look at here. Look. Cos square 30 minus into sin square 45 minus sec square 60. Sec square 60. Cos square 30 into sin square 45 minus sec square 60. This all degree, okay. Answer is what? Is it -2? Yes, it's a -2. Okay, finish. Cosec 30, reciprocal of sine 30, 2 by 1 whole square. Sine 45, 1 by root 2 whole square. Minus 60, cos 60 reciprocal, 2 by 1 whole square. So 4 into 1 by 2 minus 4. So that is 2 minus 4 equal to -2. Okay. Roshan, you got or not? Hello, Roshan. Hello. Okay, send me that picture. Roshan, send me that picture now. Okay, I want to see. Okay, so now, fast, fast, fast. Come on, man, send fast. Sending this much time, I'm waiting for that. Where is Roshan? Send me the note, that page only, okay? Okay, just came up. Now you got, now you wrote, you cancel and everything you wrote now. That means you copy now from the board, right? You got a mistake, Roshan. You wrote what? 4. You wrote cosec 30. Listen, cosec 30, you wrote 2 square. Okay, that is correct. Sine 45, okay, rest all correct. But simplification, you made a mistake, right? No? Value all correct. Simplification, you made a mistake. Okay, so I felt, so that's a, it is called long distance hypnotism. Okay, actually I learned hypnotism. Okay, 3 years I learned. If it is direct client is there, I can do it. Okay, but long distance I'm trying now. I don't know that one. Okay, I just psychological the movement. If it is, if you are sitting in front of me, I can do it. I learned that one. Okay, but this one I'm trying. I felt you didn't get it. That's why I ask you. Okay. Anyway, if listen, don't correct it, because this is a new chapter. Everyone make mistakes. You have enough time. Okay. I told you, know, I cancel my summer vacations and all. I will be here. Most probably 99% I will be here. So we'll have class continue throughout the class. Okay. I'll go in December, maybe 1 week only. So don't need to worry about all the chapters will finish nicely, better than last year, because you have enough time. Okay. So if you're not getting asked, everyone make mistake. I make many mistakes. You know that. And calculations, many mistakes there is. I'll make it. So other batches, they all correcting me. Okay, this is not 2, this is 1. Like here also correcting me. Okay. Okay. So next question. Uh, Try this question. Okay. This is very simple. Just take the from the table. Okay. Look. Okay. Another thing. Listen. Last test. Yesterday's test. Some guys use one formula. Tn equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. This batch also. Madhuri, I think she used. Right. Sn my Tn equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Who that in that batch used? Tn equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Who taught you that one? I just want information. Who taught that? Okay, this batch, no one did that method. Directly Tn found. Tn equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. It is quite difficult method. That's why I didn't use it. It is easy way. S1 equal to A1, S2, A1 plus A2. You got second term. Then D, you can find out. Okay. So that method is not wrong. Okay, it's correct. But I just asking you who someone taught it, because since the school not finish, that is how it got it. Okay, listen here now. Here, next question. Sine square 30. Look, sine square 30. Sine square 30 into cos square 45 plus 4 tan square 30 plus half sine square 90, okay, minus 2 cos square 90 plus 1 by 24 cos square 0. Cos square 0. Once again, I'll read sine square 30 into cos square 45 plus 4 tan square 30 plus 1 by 2 sine square 90 minus 2 cos square 90 plus 1 by 4 cos square 0. Okay, try now. Not defined? Hey, entire value not defined. Come on. Ask me recheck that one. Kaushik also. Puja. Puja, I think correct. Puja, it is correct. Puja, you doing or your mother doing this one? Okay. Okay. Ask the correct. Everyone correct. Check it. Ah, this is Puja. I thought other Puja. Okay. 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 Kiran, correct. Install. Come on, fast. Roshan, Sadvik, Simran, Cyril. Oh, 20 by 3. Come on, man. Okay. Okay. Anyway, let us see. Mansari. Oh, sorry. Mansi. Mansi, you got? Oh, doing. Okay. Mansi, see, listen now. These classes now till 30th of this month. Time no change. Okay. 30th May. Okay. Because the next our office will start. So there is no change till 30. I want give the time every day. Okay. And also, and okay. That means Monday, Wednesday, Saturday, Monday, Wednesday, 5:45. Okay. Let us see. Now I'll try. I don't know. I'll make maybe mistake this one. Such a long. Okay. Those who got two, check my workouts. Okay. If I made a mistake, tell me. Okay, look at it. Sin 30 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square into cos 45 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square plus 4 into tan 30 1 by root 3 whole square plus 1 by 2 sin 90 how much? Sin 9 how much sin 90? Sin 90 how much? Hello, sin 91. Okay, 1 square minus 2 into cos 90 0 plus 1 by 24 into cos 0 1. Okay, correct or cos 90 sin 90 I had doubt about. Let me check. Cos 90 0. Okay, sin 90 sin 91. Okay, this is correct now. Okay, now look at here. 1 by 2 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 plus 4 by 3 plus what is this one? Oh, okay, 1 by 2 into, okay, 1 by 2. Okay. So 1, no, 1 by 2 minus 0 plus 1 by 24. Okay. This is 1 by 8 plus 4 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 24. Okay. So we can find LCM is 24. 24 by 8, 3 plus 24 by 3, 8. And 24 by 3, 8 into 4, 32 plus 24 by 12 plus 1, how much? 35, 35, 35, 36, 48. Oh, good. 48 divided by 24 equal to 2. Right? Okay, correct. Who have got 2, it is correct. Okay. Okay, finish it fast. Okay, finish all. Okay, so next question, right? Prove that, next one, prove that cos 30 plus sin 60 divided by 1 plus cos 60 plus sin 30 equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 30 plus sin 60 divided by 1 plus cos 60 plus sin 30 equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, try now. That means you apply this value, you're supposed to get this one. You have to practice more question. I'll send you today some questions. Okay. Okay, look, cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus sin 60 1 by 2 divided by 1 plus cos 60 1 by 2 into sin 30 1 by 2. This is all, listen here. You also will be, after 1 month, you will be also like this. You can by heart it automatically. Okay. Then this is root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 divided by 1 plus 1 by 4. That is root 3 plus 1 by 2 divided by 4 plus 1. 4, 5 by, something wrong? It's into 1, wait. 1 plus cos 60 plus sin 30. Okay. Okay, I made a mistake here. Okay, listen here. This is plus. Okay. So it is 1. Then you got root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by 2. I made a mistake. I think it's wrong, right? Look at here. Correct it. Listen here. Look. Questions. Okay. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. That's correct, right? Plus, sin 60 root 3 by 2. Correct. Divided by 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay. So that means our confidence, my value. That's why I made a mistake. Look. And this one, 2 root 3 by 2. Correct? Root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2, 2 root 3 by 2 divided by 2. So you cancel, answer is root 3 by 2. Okay. Okay, so next one. Is it okay now? Clear now? Okay, so next question. I'll give two questions together. After that, this type of questions will, okay. Look. Two into cos square 45 plus tan square 60 minus 6 into sin square 45 minus tan square 30 equal to 6. You have to find this one. Next one, 2 into cos raised to 4 60 plus sin raised to 4 30 minus tan square 60 plus cot square 45 plus 3 sec square 30 equal to 1 by 4. Okay, one more. Okay. Wait. One more question, sir. Okay. Sin square 45 plus cos square 45 divided by tan square 60. Next one. 1, 2, 3, fourth one. 5 into sin square 30 plus cos square 45 minus 4 tan square 30 divided by 2 sin 30 into cos 30 plus tan 45. Okay, right fast, sir. This four question try using the table. You try. Okay, I think last question maybe I have to read. Okay, last question. I'll read 5 sin square 30 plus cos square 45 minus 4 tan square 30 divided by 2 sin 30 into cos 30 plus tan 45 plus tan 45. Okay, try this all. One by one you try. Question number 2. Question number 2 is 2 times 2 in the bracket cos raised to 60 plus sin raised to 430 minus tan square 60 plus cot square 45 plus 3 sec square 30. Sec square 30 equal to 1 by 4. Okay. Okay, finish it first. First question repeating. Okay, first question, look at here. 2 times cos square 45 plus tan square 60 minus 6 times sin square 45 minus tan square 30 equal to 6. Okay, everyone, if you have any doubts, tell me now. Okay, this is the turning point of your life, trigonometry. Okay. Fourth, this one. Fourth question. Fourth question is. Look. Fourth question is 5 sin square 30 plus cos square 45 minus 4 tan square 30 divided by 2 sin 30 into cos 30 plus tan 45 plus tan 45. Okay, explanation, don't worry, I'll do it. You finish it as it is. You finish first one, second one not getting, leave it. Do third one. I'll do all the questions, not to worry. Okay. Question to repeat. Okay. Once again, listen. Each question again read. First question is 2 times cos square 45 plus tan square 30. Close the bracket. Minus 6 times sin square 45 minus tan square 30 equal to 6. Okay. Second question, 2 times cos raised to 460, cos raised to 460 degree plus sin raised to 430, close the bracket, minus tan square 60 plus cot square 45, close the bracket, plus 3 sec square 30 equal to 1 by 4. Okay, third question, sin square 45 plus cos square 45 divided by tan square 60. Okay. Fourth one, 5 sin square 30 plus cos square 45 minus 4 tan square 30 divided by 2 sin 30 into cos 30 plus tan 45. Okay, I'll show each question. You finish or not? Then I'll show. You finish all? Everything finish? Then only I'll try. Okay. Okay, then wait. I'll give the time. Okay, wait. I'll give it the time. You try. Okay, now look at here. So first question I'll show you. Look, those who are not, listen out. First question, 2 times cos 45 1 by root 2 whole square, tan 60 root 3 whole square, minus 6 into sin 45 1 by root 2 whole square, minus tan 30 1 by root 3 whole square. Are you okay? This is okay or not? Check the values correct. Check this is correct or not. Who all got correct or not? Okay. Then 2 times 1 by 2 plus 3 minus 6 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Okay. 2 into LCM is 2. 1 plus 6 minus 6 into LCM is 6. 3 minus 2. Okay. 2 cancel. 7 minus 6 cancel. 3 minus 2, 1. So equal to 6. Oh, cool answer. You all got this correct. Okay. Yeah, you got final answer is 6 because equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Okay. Now copy. Who all made mistakes? Copy now. Then I'll show second question. Okay, first one finished. Now second one. Look at here. Second one. Okay, question is 2 times cos raised to 4 60° plus sin raised to 4 30 minus tan square 60 plus cot square 45 plus 3 6 square 30 equal to 1 by 4. Okay, look, 2 times cos 60, cos 60 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole raised to 4, sin 30 1 by 2 whole raised to 4 minus tan 60 root 3 whole square, cot 45 1 square plus 3 into 630, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, 630 2 by root 3 whole square, right? Okay, check the correct or not. This value is correct or not? Hello, come on. We all got check. Okay, then 2 times 1 by 16, correct or not? 2 into 2, okay, correct. Plus 1 by 16 minus 3 plus 1 plus 3 into 4 by 3. Okay, 2 into 2 by 16. 1 by 16 plus 2, 2 by 16. Okay, sorry. Okay, correct. Minus 4 plus 4. Cancel this one. Cut. 4 by 16. That is 1 by 4. Finish. Cool. Got it. We're all got. Okay. So those who made mistakes, correct it now. Okay, correct it now. Then I'll show the third one. Okay. Okay. So now next one, third one. Look at here. What's the question? Sine 45. Okay. Sine square 45. This one, no? Sine square 45 plus cos square 45 divided by tan square 60. Okay, sine square 45 1 by root 2 whole square plus 1 by root 2 whole square by tan 60 root 3 whole square. So that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 divided by 3. 1 by 3, right? Correct or no? It is 1 by 3. Okay, correct it now. Okay. Now one more there is, okay. Okay. So next question, listen here. Five sine square 30 plus cos square 45 minus 4 tan square 30 divided by 2 sine 30 into cos 30 plus tan 45. Okay. Look, 5 into sine 30 1 by 2, not square. Okay. 5 sine 30, oh sorry, sine square 30. 5 into sine square 30. So 1 by 2 square plus cos 45 1 by root 2 whole square minus tan 30 1 by root 3 whole square divided by 2 into 1 by 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus tan 45 1. Okay, this one 5 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus minus 4 by 3 divided by 2 cancel root 3 by 2 plus 1. So you'll simplify, you'll get the answer is this one. Answer is 5 by 6, 5 by 2, 5 into 2 minus root 3 by 6. Okay, 5 into 2 minus root 3 by 6. Okay, so this is enough. Next type of question now. Look at here. So you get some question today. Okay, you have to finish it today before coming next class. Okay, just apply the values. That's all. Very simple. Okay. So next one, right? Next one, star question. Hello, come on, star question. Ready now? You have to finish this section today. Okay. Look at here now. Next one. Very simple and star. Okay. Okay, star. Okay, star. Okay. Okay, star. Look at here. So if sine of a plus b equal to 1, sine of a plus b equal to 1, then cos a minus b equal to root 3 by 2. Find a and b. Find a and b. Listen, question. Question is, if sine of a plus b equal to 1, sine of a plus b equal to 1, cos a minus b equal to root 3 by 2. Find the value of a and b. Question clear all? Don't start. I'll show this one. Okay. Is it okay? Question you understood or not? Sine of a plus b 1. Cos a minus b equal to root 3 by 2. We have to find the values of a and b. Okay. My question, Kiran. Sine of a plus b 1. So what about a plus b then? When a plus b, when sine value, when sine value is 1, 90, right? Correct or no? Kiran. Because we know that sine value, so we can write a plus b equal to 90, number 1. when cos value is root 3 by 2, when cos value is root 3 by 2, which degree? Cos value is 30. Okay, so a minus b equal to 30. Number 2. Now we can find, right or no? Linear equations, two variables. Just add 2a equal to 120, a equal to 60. So b equal to what? 30. Finish. Correct? 30 plus, okay, correct. Right? Simple. Write first. Okay, copy first. Okay, complete all. Okay, next question. Look at here. Sine, question number 1. Sine a plus b equal to 1. Cos a minus b equal to 1. Find a and b. Question number 2. Tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. Tan of a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. Tan a plus b equal to root 3. Okay. Third one. Okay. Sine a plus 2b equal to root 3 by 2. Sine of a plus 2b equal to root 3 by 2. Cos a plus 4b equal to cos 4b equal to 0. Okay. Fourth one. Sine of a minus b equal to 1 by 2. Cos a plus b equal to 1 by 2. This all find the values. Okay. Try now. All find the values. Okay. First question, sine of a plus b equal to 1. Cos a minus b equal to 1. Find the values of a and b. Second question, tan of a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. Tan of a plus b equal to root 3. Find the values of a and b. Next, sine a plus 2b equal to root 3 by 2. Cos a plus 4b equal to 0. Find the values of a and b. Then sine of a minus b equal to 1 by 2. Cos a plus b equal to 1 by 2. Do first. Okay, wait. Ask me, wait. Do all questions, then I'll check one by one. Okay. what is second question? Second question is tan A minus B 1 by root 3. Tan A plus B root 3. Okay. Fourth question, sin A minus B 1 by 2. Sin A minus B equal to 1 by 2. Cos A plus B 1 by 2. Cos A plus B 1 by 2. Okay, finish it fast. Okay, finished all? It's not a big question. Okay, look at here. The first question. I will need a space here. Okay. First question is A plus B equal to 90. A minus B equal to 0 because cos 0 is 1. 2A equal to 45. Sorry, 90. A 45, B 45. 45 and 45. I hope everybody got right. A 45, B 45. Okay. So next one. Tan of A minus B. A minus B 1 by root 3 is 30. A plus B root 3. A plus B equal to 60. So 2A equal to 90. A 45. B 15. Right? Okay. That is also finished. Next one. A plus 2B root 3 by 2. A plus 2B equal to root 3 by 2 is when? 60 degree. A plus 4B equal to 0 is 90. Subtract 2B equal to 30. B equal to 15. B 15, A how much? 30, right? Okay. Last one. Sine of A minus B 1 by 2. A minus B equal to 30. A plus B equal to 60. So we can solve it. Clear now all? Is it okay? But very important questions. Okay. This one. Now we are going for a next type of questions. Okay. But we can finish this section today. We have 15 minutes more. So next class, another type. Okay. Okay. Right. Everyone okay? Safar okay? All. Hello. Kiran. Any doubts? Okay. So next one. Right. Find the value of theta. 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 Question number 1. Question number 1. 2 sine 2 theta equal to root 3. Okay. Look, one question enough to get the idea. Listen. Here 2 sine 2 theta equal to root 3. You have to find the value of theta. Look at here. Sine 2 theta equal to root 3. Okay. Now, when sine value is coming root 3 by 2, when the sine value is root 3 by 2, sine something is root 3 by 2. What is that? 60. So that means 2 theta equal to 60. Theta is what? 30. Finish. Are you okay? Clear now? Sir, sine 2 theta equal to root 3. Okay. So sine 2 theta equal to root 3 by 2. So sine of something is root 3 by 2. So that something is 60 degree. 2 theta 60, theta equal to 30. Pooja, your class finished this one. You did all questions very fast. Okay. So good now. Okay. Now what do you like? Okay. Oh, this is we will start the chapter also. Okay. So 2 theta 60, theta equal to 30 degree. Now, if you are interested in trigonometry, it's a very interesting chapter, trigonometry. Okay, so next question. Right. Next one. 2 cos 3 theta equal to 1. 2. Next one. 2 cos 3 theta equal to 1. 2 cos 3 theta equal to 1. Okay, find out. 2 cos 3 theta equal to 1. Find the value of theta. Okay, try now. Okay, what is this one? Cos 3 theta equal to 1 by 2. So 3 theta 1 by 2, cos value how much? 3 theta equal to 60. Theta equal to 20. Theta equal to 20. I hope everyone okay now? Next. Next one. Root 3 into tan 2 theta minus 3 equal to 0. Root 3 tan 2 theta minus 3 equal to 0. Root 3 into tan 2 theta minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, try now. Okay, what do you got? Here, root 3 tan 2 theta equal to 3. 3 going that side. Tan 2 theta equal to 3 by root 3. That is root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Cancel root 3. Okay. Tan of something is root 3. Tan of something is root 3. What is that something? 60. So 2 theta equal to 60. Theta equal to 30. Theta equal to 30. Okay. So clear now all? Hello. Okay. So next one. 2 cos theta equal to 1. 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 What is that? Cos theta equal to 1 by 2. Theta what? 60. Next one. 2 cos square theta equal to 1 by 2. 2 cos square theta equal to 1 by 2. 2 cos square theta equal to 1 by 2. Then cos square theta is 1 by 4. Cos theta 1 by 2. No negative values, negative angles so far we don't have. Okay. Because we have from 0 to 90 only we have. Negative no. Okay. Negative angles we'll learn later. Okay. Negative means this direction. Okay. Now we can play only 0 to 90. This quadrant only we can play. Okay. Next year we have 90 plus 270 plus 180 plus all and negative also this direction also. This year only in first quadrant only. So how much this one cost? 1 by 2. So next one, tan 5 theta equal to 1. 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 Okay. Tan 5 theta equal to 1. Theta what? Okay. Tan 5 theta equal to 1. Theta. Okay. 5 theta equal to 45. Theta equal to 9. Then next 2 sine 2 theta equal to root 3. Theta how much? 2 sine 2 theta equal to root 3. Find the value of theta. Okay. Sine 2 theta equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is 60. Okay. So find out. How much? 30. So this is enough today. How many questions finished today? Number. Today's how many questions? Hello. How many questions today finished? You don't have number. 32. Total how many questions now? Okay, not. Okay, so all shorter questions, but very important questions. You have to learn today itself. I'll send you homework after some time. You have to work out that before coming next class. Okay. Next class, this some part balance there is plus next section, complementary angles. Okay. After that, we'll start the identity part. Okay, this is enough today. Okay.